coming up to the Friday spot, aka the cut. Got a little bit of wind coming from the Gulf, so we're gonna go back here and check it out. Look at bunches. This is why we live here. It is Sunday. We are out here later than we normally do.
Look at that black boat.
Oh, I know.
Wow.
That is nice.
She's shiny.
Shiny. Woo. So we're out here a little bit later. We were doing stuff around the house yesterday, Saturday. We did that crab boil. That was delicioso. Where are you going to go at?
You want me to go over there?
No, it's up to you. I want to be kind of not by people. But.
I don't want to go. Nah, I don't want to go over by the beach over there. That's where all the.
Oh, you're gonna try to get back in there.
I was gonna try to get. In.
Or that side.
You want me to go over that way?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah. Perfect. Yeah, head over there. Let's do that. Yeah. So just go easy peasy. We've got a bunch of people here.
Oh, they're fishing.
That's a nice.
He's
boat.
fishing.
He's not catching anything. Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about. People, that boat, what is that black boat? That black boat would be nice. I wonder if it's hot though.
What?
That black boat. Checking up all the heat and stuff.
I don't know, but it sure is pretty.
What's your depth?
2 feet.
2 feet, all right, cool. Yeah, I'd go ahead and just head for over there and then we'll...
What? Yeah, straight that way?
Right, yep. I might keep a little bit of that. Yeah, see this guy here? Look at this. So this...
Yeah,
this is crap.
It's just...
This
one is like that too.
Yeah.
We need to get better ones.
Yeah, and these dry boxes.
Those are not good. Where'd you get those?
Walmart. So we need some better dry boxes. What dry boxes do you guys use? Because this dry box got filled with water. You know, my first aid kit is done. So,
and that thing has come in handy. I do believe someone pulled up to us and asked if we had Band-Aids.
Oh yeah. We were over at Fort De Soto. They came up. They had we had Band-Aids and stuff. We got the anchor in there.
Yep.
So we're good. Yeah. So we're here at the spot. We ought to hook them up. So what do we do now?
Oh, I just dropped my phone.
Oh. We've had my mimosa hour. Oh, this is me, right? So
yeah,
finish it up.
It's you.
You see that side? Yeah.
I'm gonna set up the chairs. I'm gonna have a sandwich too because damn, I'm hungry.
Yeah. Okay. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get some sandwiches going here, but we're here. Look at that cat. It's a beautiful day here, people. So we're gonna enjoy things.
Oh, that's a cute little cat.
Mm-hmm. All right, so let's get some sandwiches. We're gonna get the sandwiches and get the beach chair set up. So talk guys in a bit. And you got your protection on, right? Your sunscreen and all that stuff.
I put some on.
You look like you're cold. Are you that cold?
Not anymore.
It was a little crispy. So we finished up our sandwiches. And now we're just chilling here, getting a boat nap, right? Nothing like some boat nap. Love me some good boat nap, right? So I got a little nappy here. A little nap. I mean, it's pretty packed out here today. You know, I mean, it's as it should be. I mean, it's just a wonderful day here. So.
Oh, well, hurricane over there looks like our boat.
Yeah, it's a little deck boat over there.
They're tight.
You gotta get. What did you say?
Get it in there tight.
You know, I'm
make
always,
sure it's all the way in.
You know, it's all the way in, and you know it's in there tight. We're just talking about the microphones here because we've had. There's a thing on the camera where it's not in all the way and it's not tight, then we don't pick up audio, and then we have to do something else, right?
So we've just been out here staring at this catamaran all day.
I know. It's Bobcat is his name. It says Bob,
yep.
And then there's a little cat there. So good old Bobcat.
That's the dream over there.
That's the dream.
A little sailboat.
That is the play. Next couple of years, we want to see about getting. We want like get a monohull. We'll start off with a regular one hull sailboat, and then maybe see about moving up to the catamaran. But then that way we're gonna have this boat. We're gonna have a sailboat. So
Never a bad day at sea when you have a powerboat and a sailboat.
Correct.
So like in April, this past, right now, this month, there hasn't been a lot of good days. It's been really windy.
Yeah.
Well, if we had a sailboat, we would have been able to go out yesterday.
Yeah, exactly. We've been able to go out of the sailboat.
Because it was like 3-foot waves and
Yeah.
16, 17 knots.
Yeah.
With the winds. These guys are gonna anchor here.
Yeah, this is Naughty Dog. Naughty Dog here. What's up, Naughty Dog?
Naughty
Let's
Dog.
see. Coming in hot on the. All right, he's got.
Naughty Dog. But wait, they took that name from.
Yeah,
Naughty Dogs.
Kinda. Let's see how he does. Let's see. Good old Naughty Dog. Let's see. There you go. Naughty Dog. Cool. We're taking off anyway, so it has been a wonderful Sunday on the water for sure. There was only we went to a one of the ramps over by downtown St. Pete. There's only one spot left. We got here late, so we don't like getting here that late. We like to get here early.
We like to be the early birds.
Yeah, because that way you don't have to worry about all that. Yeah. But we did get that one last spot. That was good. And then we just, had a mimosa hour, putted out here. Lots of boat traffic too. Lots of boats. I mean, even right now, we can see we're here, just across from Buses Pass. You can see all these boats. Well, these guys are racing here. Let's see.
Are they racing?
I don't know. Let's see.
They look like they're racing.
They kind of look like they're racing. Let's see who's gonna get it.
Oh, the black one's got it.
Yeah, he's got it.
Oh, maybe they weren't racing.
Nah, maybe you're right.
Kind of looked like it for a minute. Ooh, he's heading over this way.
Yeah, he's coming over here. I think that's about it, right?
Yeah.
I think that's about it for today. Today is, and I do want to try to get out during the week. One of these weeks when it's warmer. I definitely want to get out to a few other spots, check out a few spots. So I think we're going to do that and try to hold on to that. Calling in sick at least one day a month. So 2 feet, cool. Hope you guys like this video. Right?
Peace. Yeah.
Peace. See you guys in the next one.
Can I tell you that